got to put it on his back.
Okay, there we go. Flags deployed, and on behalf of DFDS Seaways, thank you very much for bringing us to the Sunderland Air Show. It's been absolutely fantastic. We've really enjoyed ourselves. Hope we put on a good show for you today. Leading in then with the flag and the smoke is Private Will Forbes. Second down will be Private Jacob Manwaring. As I said, this is third display only. It does take a lot of courage to exit the aircraft and land in such a small arena. You look up there, you see two guys link their parachutes together.
Two together.
Let's give a big round of applause then as he comes in, ladies and gentlemen. Loads of cheering, loads of screaming kids. I'd also like to thank our other sponsors, Opal, Grant Green and Motive 8 for all the support that they give us as a free-fall team, without whom life has become very difficult to operate. Let's give a big round of applause then, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have Private Will Forbes leading into the display today. Second down underneath the Grant Green canopy is Private Jacob Manwaring. Okay, if you look up now, you'll see the two parachutists side by side, linking their canopies together. They should split this formation and go into a downplane, reaching speeds of up to 90 miles an hour under the canopy. Here they go. Right in the stack there, two-man stack, is Lance Corporal Roger Smith. As I said, he's on his third and final season as he parts the Army and moves his civilian life. As they get over the arena, they should split from face down and start gathering speed. Okay, if you look up the aircraft now, you'll have seen Corporal Frank Millerick is out of the plane and he's on the wingsuit. The little black dot's in, and then he's going to try and do is pass the two guys who are coming down.
Oh.
Here we go. Corporal Frank Millerick then is on the wingsuit, flying out to sea. He's reaching speeds of 120 miles an hour.
Snap.
Under the Union canopy then is Corporal Roger Smith, as we said, and Corporal Millerick has deployed his parachute. Big round of applause then, Corporal Millerick is just on the wingsuit there, ladies and gentlemen. Corporal Roger Smith with a small DFDS Ferry flag.
Oh, well, that was eagle.
And Private Jim Bridle. As I've already mentioned, you can hear you, so let's give a big round of applause, big cheers, loud as we possibly can. Here it comes, into land under the Union canopy, Lance Corporal Roger Smith. In the middle then, coming down, Private Jim Bridle on his first season with the team. And finally, smoke training and in his squirrel suit is Corporal Frank Millerick, the jump master and the team leader. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolute pleasure for us to entertain you this afternoon.